Meanwhile, Florida teen Jennifer Mee may hold the record for the most frequent hiccups, 50 times per minute for more than 4 weeks in 2007.
The #1 Googled question is, how do you get rid of hiccups?
Charles Osborne began to hiccup in 1922 after a hog fell on top of him. He wasn't cured until 68 years later and is now listed by Guinness as the world record holder for hiccup longevity.
Every hour, she has a hiccup, and nobody understands why.
Hiccups are an involuntary contraction of our diaphragm.
Now, the $6 billion loss didn't turn out to be a death knell for the company. It absorbed it. It was able to do so without any kind of hiccup financially.
Whoa. Huh. We seem to have a hiccup, guys, that's not appearing on my thing. Anyway, let's see.
If, in fact, there is a hiccup in the economy and these projections don't work, you might see these people who are zealously buying in some of these emerging communities feel pain.
For 4 years here, there were no fish to feed.
Well, yep, we had a big hiccup in production due to water supply. There was a very big drought in 2011, so we discontinued production here just because we didn't have availability to water, and that continued until just last year.
Typical pilot training is a year. It took me 15 months longer than a year. Had a little medical hiccup in between T6s and T38s. I was diagnosed with cancer, and from there, it was an immediate grounding.